Hello guys, today we are in Ruiru, Kamakis, slightly 1.5 kilometers from the Ruiru bypass, and we are here to see this 4-bedroom townhouses going for 14.9 million Kenya shillings. They are twin houses because there are two houses sitting on one plot, sharing a wall in between the two. So each house gets a parking space for 2 cars, and you also have parking space for visitors. So this is the facade of the house. It has an ensuite DSQ. Also, the kitchen is fully fitted, selling at 14.95 million Kenya shillings. You get this entry porch, a small entry porch. Then you get this wooden door, a very big wooden door, complementing the entrance for you. Then at the entrance, you are welcomed into this spacious living lounge. Under the stairs, you have this storage space that can be used as your shoe rack and other storages. And then on the other side, you get this beautiful, well customized wall and that big window complementing the house and allowing in natural lighting. You get that TV console being provided, and then you have this beautiful minimalistic chandelier. You also get gypsum ceiling customized for you, but for the wall, in case you want it customized the way this one looks like, then you'll have to pay an extra fee for the same. And then on this side, you get your beautiful dining area that can fit up to 8 chairs, depending on how you want to fit them. And then over here, just after your dining, you get this washroom, powder room that is a common washroom. And then on the other side, you get this open plan kitchen, a black and gray complementing each other. You have this space for your double door fridge. And then something else that the kitchen comes with is a microwave oven. And then you also get this 4-burner cooker and smoke hood extractor. You are also provided with this double multifunctional sink. This door leads us into the DSQ outside. The SQ is quite spacious and it's also a suite. And back into the house, let's go and check out what the first level has. You get 3 bedroom on this level, and you also have this mini balcony that can be accessed by anyone that is on this floor. So this is your balcony overlooking other houses. And then you have 3 bedrooms, 1 ensuite and 2 sharing this washroom. So let's check out the one that is ensuite. So this is the third bedroom, which has a shared washroom with that spacious window over there, bringing in natural lighting. And also you get these spacious wardrobes for storages, and then you get this as your bed space. Let's get to the second level and see what is being offered up here. So upon landing on the second level, you get this space that leads you to the rooftop terrace, and then you get the whole of this space as what? As our master bedroom. So on the master bedroom, you get on the left hand side, you get this washroom. So this becomes your washroom with a shower cubicle over here. This becomes your shower cubicle, spacious, and then you have this provision for either jacuzzi or a bathtub, and then you also get that toilet seat. And then on the other side, you have this walk-in closet offering ample space for storing your clothes. And then you also get a mini home office over this side. And then this bedroom, which is master, it also has a balcony, a back balcony. So this becomes your bed space, big and spacious enough, with a king size bed fitting on it. And then you have this massive window. On this side, you get also another balcony. This balcony is facing the front side of the house and the property. So that aside, let's check out on the rooftop terrace what is being offered up there. So upon entering the rooftop terrace, you get this space that they designed. It can be used as a mini kitchen or an outdoor kitchen in case you have events and you want to host your guests up here. And then you get this pergola that you can fit there your chairs so that you can be relaxing up here with your family. Then you have that water space for cleaning and washing if you want to. And then you have this washroom. This washroom makes sure that whenever you are up here, you don't have to go downstairs to relieve yourself. So as I said earlier, this house is selling at 14.95 million Kenya shillings only. In case you are interested, kindly call the number on the screen and I'm going to take you for viewing.